Here guys, inside your 18-speed transmission, this is where your PTO would normally be connected. So the PTO meshes with these gears in order to get that going. You know what this is? This is your shaft right there. There you go. All your air valves at the back. And inside you have all the gears. This is the back of the transmission actually. Yeah. You got all your air valves. This is what it looks like inside. Synchronizers, all that stuff right inside there. That's the back half of the transmission. Now you have the front of the transmission, your typical 18-speed transmission, guys. I hope you can see what's going on. Let me turn the shaft so you can see how these gears move. That's what happens when you guys go shifting gears underneath. That's how it works, guys. There you have it, inside your typical 18-speed transmission.